Now I am going to explain about variables, functions, arrays and objects and loops in JavaScript. First of all, we will discuss about variables. Variable is a container for storing data. In declaration, we are using three kinds of words: let, const and var. Whenever we are using let, it can be updated. That means if we are using let in any of our code, it can be changed and it can be updated in anywhere of the code. Whenever we are using the const keyword, it cannot be changed. It will be a fixed value. And whenever you are using the var keyword, it is the older way to declare a variable. It will avoid in the modern way of code. Example, in the given example, let age is equal to 20. Here we are declaring a variable named as age, and we are declaring with initializing with the word let. That means it can be changed or updated anywhere of the code. Const name is equal to Sam. That means we are using the word const. That means it will not be updated. It is a fixed value. And next, going to functions, a block of code that performs a specific task and can be reused. In the function declaration, we are three kinds of function declaration, function expression and arrow function. In the given example, function greet, we are declaring a function which is named greet, and we are calling that function giving an arguments. Two arguments we are giving a comma b, return a plus b. That means we are returning the value which is the addition of the two arguments a plus b. Here the function name is called greet. And next one is arrays. An ordered list of values, that means the elements stored in a single variable. Declaration, while we are used to declare an array, we have to give some name to that array. Here we are declaring an array called as fruits. Let fruits is equal to, we have to declare that array in square brackets and represented with the inverted commas and separated with the commas. In the given example, we are declared an array named fruits, and we are declared some fruits apple, banana and cherry, which are separated with the commas. In the given example, console.log fruits of 0. That means we are already declared an array with the size of 3. That means we are having 3 elements, so that the size is 3. Console.log fruits of 0. That means here it is indicating the 0th index of the array. Here we have the 0th index. We have the fruit apple, so it will print apple. Fruits dot push of orange. Here push function is used to add an element at the end of the array. Here we are using the push function to the fruits array. That means we are adding orange fruit to at the end of the array, so that it will print apple, banana, cherry and orange. And next one is console.log fruits.length. Here dot length means we are using a function which is used to represent the length of the array. Here it will print 4 because the size is 4. Next, coming to objects. An object is a collection of key value pairs used to store. In the given example, we have declared an object called as person. Here the name of the object is person. In the given object, we are giving some information about that object. That means here we are giving some information. That means we are giving the name and age. Is he is a student or not? In the given example, we have declared a object called as person, and we have given that information name, age. Console.log person.name, it will print the name of the person, that means Alice, and the person.age means it will print the age of that person. Next, coming to loops. Use it to run a block of code repeatedly and until a condition is met. Loops are used for the iterative values. For example, in the given example, we have to declare some variable called as I or j or anything your wish. Here I am declaring I. For let I is equal to 0, semicolon I less than 3, semicolon I plus plus. First of all, we have to initialize that variable, and second one, we have to give the condition for that variable, and then we have to update that variable. Whenever we are using the loops, we have to keep in mind these three conditions. We have to initialize, and we have to give the condition, and then we have to give the updation for that variable. And console.log of I, that means it will print the value of the I. In loops, usually we are using the three kinds of loops: for loop, while loop, or for off or for in for arrays or objects. And then we will discuss about the quick summary of these variables, functions, arrays, objects, and loops. Variables are used to store the data. We can use the three words let and const or var. Functions, these are the reusable block of code function, and arrays are the ordered list of the values. Objects means key value data structure. Loops means these are the iterative values or repeat code. Usually we are using the for loop or while loop. Thank you.